Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing your clips and opening the timeline. Make sure the clip is selected so you can add keyframes. Once done, zoom into the timeline for precise placement because accuracy matters when smoothing motion. Click the diamond keyframe icon on the property you'll animate, for example, position or scale, and set your first value. You do this to lock an initial state. This initial keyframe becomes the anchor for every subsequent change you make. Now you switch to the graph editor to control motion. The why is simple. Curves define acceleration and feel. Select 2 or more keyframes and drag Bezier handles to create ease in or ease out, making movement feel natural. If you need consistent timing, switch to speed graph mode to edit velocity directly. Make sure to nudge points with the arrow keys for frame-accurate placement and use the numeric fields to match values exactly, so motion looks intentional rather than jarring. Finish by previewing the animated segment at full resolution. This confirms the perceived motion and reveals subtle timing issues. Once satisfied, render a short export to verify playback outside CapCut because different players can reveal stutter. If your animation looks off, make sure your project frame rate matches, source footage and inspect for overlapping keyframes or duplicate clips. Those are common causes of jitter. If problems persist, simplify the curve to a linear segment, then reapply each.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.